How to purchase mystery NFT box on Binance crypto website. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to purchase a mystery box on Binance. So first thing we do, we go to binance.com, log into your account from here, and then go to NFT. After you go to NFT, you will have some NFTs here, but all what you have to click on is this option right here. Click on mystery boxes, and here you go, you will find the mystery boxes right here. This is the Win NFT horse, the Draco Master mystery box, the Ocean Molo mystery box, or even the Mike Tyson mystery box. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.